Today, I am going to discuss to you how to write the polynomial in standard form. A polynomial in standard form if its terms are arranged from the term with the highest degree up to the term with the lowest degree. Remember, the degree of a term or of a polynomial can be determined through the exponents of its variable. Therefore, the standard form of this polynomial is negative 5x raised to the fifth power is the first term of the polynomial when written in standard form since it has the highest exponent. Next is the third degree. Next is the second degree. 2x raised to the second power is positive since it has no sign. So we must write a separator which is a plus sign or a positive sign. Next is 3x or the first degree. Remember, if it has no exponent, it is understood to be 1. And then the last term is the negative 10, which is a constant term. Constant term is 0 degree, thus it is always the last term of the polynomial when written in standard form. So the standard form is negative 5x raised to the fifth power minus 2x cubed plus 2x squared plus 3x minus 10. And again, remember, if in the given, let's say 2x raised to the second power, it has no sign, so understood you must put plus sign to separate it from the other term. Now, after writing the polynomial standard form, we can now determine the leading term, which is the term with the highest degree. So the term with the highest degree is negative 5x raised to the fifth power. So it is the leading term. Next is the leading coefficient. So the leading coefficient is the coefficient of the leading term. So our leading term is negative 5x raised to the fifth power. Therefore, our leading coefficient is negative 5. Again, the standard form of a polynomial is a polynomial that is arranged from the highest to the lowest degree. And the constant term is always the last term. Now, let us have another example. Write 5b plus 3a minus 2c in standard form. In this case, 5b is first degree, 3a first degree, negative 2c is also first degree since the exponent of each variable are the same, which is 1. Now, how to write a polynomial whose degree of its terms are the same? Like in this case, they are all first degree. If each term of a polynomial has the same degree, arrange the variables in alphabetical order. Therefore, the first term is 3a, so that is positive 3a. Since it will be the leading term, therefore we should remove the plus sign. Next is 5b. So to separate 5b from 3a, we should put the plus sign since it has no sign. If it has negative sign, so we should put negative. Next is minus 2c. Again, if each term of a polynomial has the same degree, arrange the variables in alphabetical order: A followed by B, then followed by C. So that's the standard form of 5b plus 3a minus 2c. Next example. So notice that in our next example, our terms are or have the same degree, which is second degree. So in this case, as we have discussed, we will just arrange the terms in alphabetical order. So we have x, xy, and y. So it is already arranged in alphabetical order. Notice that this is already in standard form. Why? Notice that the exponent of x is descending to 1, while the exponent of y is ascending 1, 2. So that you should also see to it if there are two variables, the exponent of the first variable in alphabetical order should be descending, and the exponent of the second variable should be in ascending order. That's it. So you may, so for your, to test yourself, uh, answer this problem. Answer this problem. You may pause the video. You have to write the polynomial standard form, then give the leading term and then the leading coefficient. Okay, if you have answered all the items, you may proceed to the proceed watching this video if you have the answer. And the answer is, I hope you got the correct answers.